got the seat belts all done, all the harnesses. I like these. I've got what is it? Something Quip, Race Quip in the Nova. But they didn't have the ones I wanted. So I got these from Summit, got everything to put them in. I bolted them in with those hooks. They work really well. I like doing that better than just bolting this to the floor, because now look, you know, works out better. I'm back there. So that's what I used. Made it easy, you know, to use those hooks. And the seat belts can work better. And you have a little more to play with if you need it. If you're big like me. But yeah, so this sucker's almost done. Still waiting on the carburetor. Hopefully that comes soon. Okay, so remember how I had this light mounted to these tabs that I welded on? So I had it underneath the grill. So when I get a bumper and air dam, you know, whatever, that won't work. I'd have to cut it out, and I'm not doing that. So I decided to mount them behind the grill, where it's here, behind that part, this part, and behind that part. Sure, it'll restrict the light, but that's why I added another one. With two, it should at the least put out as much as the one did, if not more. So I first tried to just zip tie it to this, which held it just fine. I had it zip tied to both of them, held it just fine, but it made this thing so heavy that I was afraid that would pop off, because it just, you all know, it just snaps in with those guys. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them that hold it in, but you can just pop that right out. So I didn't trust it with the extra weight. So I had some aluminum rails left from the inside of this. So I took the pieces that I had cut off and mounted them in there, and mounted these to that, which worked out as long as I got them in the right place. I'm about to put it on and find out, and it's a bear to get it on. Them headlights, one headlight's kind of broken, but, or it's out of place. I don't know what the deal is, but it snaps on, but it's not the easiest thing to snap on. Doesn't look that bad. We'll see how the light is once it's on there. I guess I have to wait till it gets dark. But alright, so I'm going to put the grill on, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright, I got it all together. Finally. That is bright. That is very, damn, that is very bright. And it's still sunny outside. I can't wait to see it when it's dark. But I think that'll work out. I mean, I'm not driving it on the street. That's just so I can see going down the track, exiting the track, going through the pits, getting it on the trailer. That's pretty much it. It's really all I need them for. Alright, I'm happy with that. So we can put them behind the grill fairly easily, and they work. Until next time.